Hello, and today I'm doing another toy, and today here's the little packet here. I'm doing jet planes, and you get 5 planes all to put together, so I recommend putting them all together. Here's the little packet for all the planes that go at the front. Here's the instructions. So yeah, let me just look at the instructions and I'll see how to build it, and I'll be right back. Let's just open it. 1, 2, and yeah, there's all the fronts of the plane. So first, we're going to build the yellow plane. Pop that cardboard out and that part, and just put slide that in. So here's the first plane, and in a minute we're actually going to try these out. So now we're doing the green plane. So it's completely simple. Once again, just pop the cardboard out. There's loads of things all over the place here. There we go. Here's the next plane. Just sit them both over here. I'll test them out in a minute. Now we're going to do the fire plane, if you will. To be honest, these planes have no names. Oh, actually, yeah, I'll just put them on at the end. Just pop these out. And fold the wings in. And yeah. And you just put the blade in the back. That little piece. Let's just call it a blade for the video. So I have no idea what it's called. There it is. Two more planes. More planes. Come on. Now, it's gone all over the place. Okay, let's not put that in. Okay, we're just going to try this one now, because I can't put the blade in. I'll just try it 1 second. Okay, it doesn't fly all that well without the blade, but you can still have fun with that one. So, let's fold. Even. And the next one. So I'll just try and get this in before I test them out. Nope, doesn't want to go in. I'll just put these on them. And these are really tight. Okay, those are what I used to put on. Come on. You can just watch. Okay. Right there. Okay. I'll just find out a way to do this. There we go. Then you can see the pens fly across the room as I do it. Let's do the first one. They do fly pretty well. They go very straight. Let's try the next one. Now that one is fantastic. And that one's very good as well. Now, I'm afraid I've got one more video to do for today, but I'll see you next time. So, that was our playing video, and I'll see you next time, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!